guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. We're going to make a quick card today using the box of the month for November. I'm using the Winter Wishes stamp set and the Arctic Winter paper pad that comes in the kit. So I have all my images cut out. I'm not going to use all of them, but I just wanted to show you how super cute they are. I have an A2 size folding card base. I have my panel cut down a 1/4 inch smaller. And I have some hills cut. I'm going to use the sentiment from the stamp set, May Your Dreams Come True. First, let's get some adhesive on the back of this panel here and glue it down. I'll glue the top one on first. I'm putting my sentiment right here, so I want to make sure there's enough room between the hills. I'm going to add my mountains to the top here. I actually wanted to tuck them in underneath this hill, and I think I have the glue all the way to the top, so I won't be able to do that. So I'll have to add them to the front of the hill. My little house is going to go at the top of this hill. We're going to have these two at the top in the sky. So this is like a little story. I kind of arranged everything where I wanted it to be. I'm going to stamp my sentiments so I know not to cover that up. So I'm going to use my favorite ink for stamping sentiments, this VersaFine Clair in Nocturne. And since this is the first time I'm using it, I'm going to stamp off onto a sheet of paper just to get any of the manufacturer's residue off of there. Okay, so I like that. Okay, I have some of these images on foam tape. I'm going to glue down these two straight onto the card. I want them to look like they're in the background. And the two at the bottom, they look like they're dreaming or thinking. So this one's kind of like telling the other one in its ear about a dream that he had about these two animals that were flying in the sky on a wintry night. So I thought this little sentiment, May Your Dreams Come True, kind of plays off of this. So I'm not going to push down in case I want to change the layout of the mountains. This is my smoke to the chimney. I accidentally cut that off. So we'll see if we can add that back. Okay, so there, I'm happy with the layout. Okay, that completes my card. I think it turned out super cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll have the link down below to the box of the month. If it's sold out, you'll see a sold out sign on the photo. You can pre-order next month's box for a limited time. And I will catch you guys real soon in the next video. Thanks for stopping by and leaving a comment. I always enjoy reading those. So thank you guys. Take care.